Here's 100% proof on why you should never use a India SEO company. I've been going back and forth with these people. They're like, yeah, we could help you with SEO, blah, blah, blah. So I just go back and forth, and they're like, and I'm just like, I'm just playing along. I said, okay, so what SEO, what words will you help me with? And they've completed their thorough analysis. And here's what they said. So this is Infotech in India. General keyword ideas. NBA game tickets. Okay, first of all, NBA game tickets I don't want. This is for All-Star Weekend, Charlotte, for the NBA All-Star Weekend. So, NBA All-Star Weekend tickets, they're saying, oh, okay, well, let's go. Let's go to a new incognito window here. And NBA All-Star Weekend tickets, I'm already almost number 1 and 2. I'm there with StubHub and Vivid Seats. So, those are some of the multi-million-dollar companies here. StubHub, but obviously I'm not number 1, but 2 and 3. So this company in India is all of a sudden going to help me. So you got to be careful with these companies in India. They just want to try to take your money and say they're going to help you with SEO, but really they can't. They don't even know. So very localized. Keywords, make sure that you're dealing with an SEO company that understands your business, what keywords you're trying to hit, not just come up with some lists and say, yeah, we're going to help you with all these.